Hello everybody, I just want to make a quick announcement about this mouse before we continue on doing the unboxing of the Maya X 8K from Lamzu. Overall, I had this mouse for 8 days. I've been enjoying this mouse. I find this mouse comfortable. Yes, I do find this mouse comfortable. I enjoyed it. I just wish it was just a little bit smaller, and this is why, I've been using a lot of gaming mouses, been playing a lot of FPS games, and I kind of see like a pattern on myself. When I go with a smaller mouse, I do a lot more better. I can move. I have more room, more mobility to work with. And if this mouse was just a little bit smaller, especially the length of it, it was like somewhere around 124, maybe 122, I think it would be perfect. Because then I can move around freely and be more micro adjustments with my aiming as well, which I really do like that. And I remember that Zai always said this from Rocket Jump Ninja. Always try to go smaller mouse to see if you could do better. And to tell you the truth, every time I do use a smaller mouse, I was like, you know what, God damn it, he is right. And this is why I'm going to continue enjoying this mouse. I'm not saying this mouse is not bad. I think for somebody who wants to go ergo, who has a little bit more bigger hand size than me, will love this mouse. The only thing I do want to add further to my disappointment is that the side buttons, it's all right, but for the price you pay for this mouse, $150, you can get something better for that price. And if you guys been not living under the rock, you know that Pulsar is going to come out with a new X3 that is going to be a similar shape and design as the Logitech G703. And I thought it was going to come out this month, but it's not going to come out till like November, or almost close to the end of November or the beginning of December. So really, I'm keeping an eye on that mouse as well. So that's it, ladies and gentlemen. If you do want to ask me questions about this type of topic, you can. Until then, enjoy the unboxing video. Goodbye. Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome to my YouTube channel here once again. Happy Saturday. So today we're going to do the unboxing of this mouse. I always wanted to try out on the Maya because I feel like this is a shape that could fit any type of grip style. I didn't want to go with the little brother Maya because I know it's not going to fit me, and I was happy that Lamzu listened to the community and they want a little bit bigger, and there you go. The Maya X, which is the big brother, and the little brother is the Maya. Now, there are a few key differences. I believe this is the only mouse that you could use the web brace software. Unfortunately, you have other Lamzu products. It is not going to be compatible because it is a hardware chip that you need to put it into the mouse in order to communicate with the web-based software. Again, I don't know more details about it. I am not an electrical engineer or any type of engineer that don't know how these things work, but I tried to do my best to explain it. So I did pre-order the Fnac version. I don't want to I wound up canceling it because, again, if I was not happy with this mouse, I knew it was going to be a pain in the ass to return it. So that's why I waited until Amazon had it available. And I didn't want to go orange anyway because it will not match with my setup. Now, if I do love this mouse, and this will be my main, I will go with the red one if they do come out with it. So the color options that you can go for the Maya X, right here in front of you is the black. You can go with the white one. I want to go with the gray one, but I just went with the black one. I didn't want to risk it. So this is the mouse. You can go 8K wireless, but you only can go wired mode 1000 hertz. Are you really going to know the difference? I don't know. I know I cannot run 8K in my system, but it depends on the game. If I play Warzone, it'll work perfectly fine. If I play like, light, not like very demanding like system that will take advantage a lot of resources from your system compared to like Tarkov. But like games like Overwatch, CSGO, I didn't have any experience with Warzone with it because I ran 8K before with Razer. I didn't try running 8K with this mouse because I was not playing too much Warzone. I was more focused on playing EFT, aka Escape from Tarkov, and Arena Breakout. So those are the only really two games I'm playing right now. I am thinking about getting Black Ops 6. I cannot wait to get Battlefield. Sorry, I went a little bit off the topic, so let's open up this bad boy. So let's continue. See, I shouldn't have used the knife, but I could do it. Ah, come on. Ah, okay. Plan B. Stand by. Finally, after 2.5 hours later, I finally managed to get rid of the plastic wrap. Okay, the mouse itself. Let's see. I don't know why I said the mouse itself, but extra mouse feet. You got also grips as well for the sides and also for your primary left click and right click. Extra mouse feet. Also, you got this little plastic thing at the bottom of the mouse that protects it from going dust inside the mouse itself, because even though there's no holes on the shell itself, but at the bottom it's pretty much exposed of the PCB, the battery, and all that stuff. And one thing that I love about this packaging already for this mouse is that I really love just just how Velcro is nice. This Velcro packaging that you can store your mouse. Also comes with a braided cable, power cord cable, USB type C to USB type A. And I kind of like it that has like a little bit of a notch up that it won't drag the mouse or damage the mouse pad. Also, what else it comes with? It looks like it comes with a user guide. That's it. Now, it doesn't come with a regular wireless receiver, just to let you know. It comes with an 8K wire receiver. If you want to get that regular wireless receiver, you're gonna have to buy that separately, unfortunately. So let's continue. The 8K dongle itself, which is nice little bulky, rubberized at the bottom to give you grip wherever surface you put it on. And finally, mother of pearl, the mouse itself. Oh, it feels good in the hand. Wow. This feels good in the hand. Whoa. Holy shit. It's just... oh my god, and the side buttons are perfect, which I love it. I just love how the side button's right there in the middle. That's easy for me to hit the back and the forward button. And I love that a lot about this mouse already. 47 grams, by the way. So now, if you're kind of wondering, was that tape right there, it's to protect the bottom of this. I don't mind, but you know, you have the option. You do have that OCD that you don't want to damage your mouse or have dust in it. You have that option to protect that bottom part of the mouse. Overall, is well balanced. No creak, which is awesome. Shake, no rattle inside. Not even play on the left. Also uses Armor-on switches, opticals. Let's do a quick sound test, shall we? Oh my god, this mouse doesn't fucking disappoint me. I love this. So, I'm gonna stop the video right here. And yes, I know you're gonna tell me, oh, don't forget to remove the protection part, because then how you gonna know if it glides? Yes, I know. I'm going to do it. You gotta feel the mouse, guys. Just bear with me. Oh Lord, I love this feel. Oh, Jesus, why didn't... Ooh, Lord, I can't wait to play. Hold on, I'm getting too excited. Stand by, ladies and gentlemen. So here you go. I got the mouse set up ready to go. Just want to show you guys quick how the drivers look. So this is the web-based drivers. I kind of like a lot more better compared to the drivers you had to use on your desktop, which is awesome. Overall, what I think about this mouse so far compared to the G Pro Superlight 2 Dex, tell you the truth, I find it a lot more comfortable. But again, I gotta see how comfortable I am when it comes to gaming and even long sections or I mean long sessions, just bear with me, long gaming sessions that if it's comfortable, I don't feel no fatigue with my hand, and I should be good to go. So that's it, ladies and gentlemen. I hope you find this very helpful. I am about to play some EFT. Any questions you guys want to ask me, you can answer those questions down in the comment section. I will answer them as soon as possible. Till then, enjoy your Saturday. Goodbye.